Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how we use Copilot in Dynamics 365 customer service to generate knowledge article from cases. So that will allow agents to generate a knowledge article draft directly from a solved case on while they are in the process of solving the case. Now, I will show you how you can enable this and also how exactly work. So here, how this works. So as you can see here, so I am working on this case. Like I have talked to the customer and I entered a note showing all the different things that I did trying to resolve this case. Now I will explain how to enable Copilot to generate knowledge. So firstly, open Copilot Service Admin Center app. In the sitemap under Support Experience, click on Knowledge from here and on the knowledge, select Manage for knowledge creation. On the knowledge creation preview page in the case-based knowledge creation, select the checkboxes to let representative use Copilot. So I agree to these terms and click on opt-in from here. So this is where you can enable this. So you can see let agent use Copilot. Now firstly enabling this. And what you are doing here is what when you saw me try to resolve that case, that option to propose that knowledge article will be set to yes. Now click on check from here. So if you don't want to do that, then you want to uncheck that. And the other thing that I want to mention here is what you see here regarding representative axis. You can see it says customer service representative added to out of the box experience profile. Can use Copilot to create knowledge article from a case. So what this means, if you have your own experience profile that you created, so you need to edit here. Click on that. So I am go ahead and visit those experience profile. And you can see here, I actually created a custom one here. Now click on custom profile. So scroll down. So these are where those Copilot AI feature are that you can then configure. So click on edit from here. So this is that knowledge creation section. And if you want your agent to be able to do that, you would actually enable that here on your custom profiles and then assign that agent and then can start working with that. Now go back to the knowledge creation preview and also check the user experience data from here. Now click on save and go back to the customer service workspace from here and firstly refresh it. Now I will show you how exactly work. So you can see here I am working on this case. So I have talked to the customer and here I entered a note showing all the different things that I did trying to resolve this case. So now that this case is done. So I am going to click on resolve case from here. Now as you can see here we now this checkbox that says propose new knowledge article for this case. So in resolution I am going to say done and then click on resolve from here. So this is going to now close my case. But what it does as well, it now actually put together that new knowledge article based on the information that case, and you can see here mainly the information in these notes that I have in there. So what you can do from here is you can put instruction in here, like you can see there is an example add info about the warranty window. So I can revise this instruction and then click on this button over here. So let's just go ahead and do that. Like this happened, unable to log into account. And then click on revise from here. Now this look good. Now click on create proposal from here. And this is now, as you can see here, is creating that knowledge article. So from here I just review it and scroll down. So here you can see all of that content that you saw Copilot offered up. Now go back to the case. Now the other way that I can actually get a knowledge article is not just doing the resolution of a case, but I can go to a case, that is I just resolve this case. And as you can see, propose new knowledge button is here. So click on that. So that is now doing the same thing. Now it is going to look at the data in that case. So now it is going me giving more information, and then I can create that knowledge article from here. So in this video we covered using Copilot in Dynamics 365 customer service to generate knowledge article from cases. Thanks for watching.